Hey folks, thank you for stopping by. This message is brought to you by yours truly, Daniel Morrow, creator of EliteClarity.com for all of your business financing needs, and thatphonesitesguy.com, your resident phone sites affiliate representative. I hope you enjoy this message, and I'll see you on the other side. Cheers. Clarity Nation, what's happening? It's hard to believe it's that time again. Yet another edition of Finance Friday. Man, it feels like yesterday. It doesn't feel like that long ago. I just did an episode of this. Now we're back at it again. What are the odds of that? So let's get down to it. There's three main sources of short-term finance used by businesses, right? By any company, doesn't matter. Large, small, whatever, right? Pretty simple, pretty straightforward, pretty cut and dry. So here's the thing. First thing, you got a trade line, right? Now, what is a trade line? How does it work? Basically, a trade line it's just that. It's something from your supplier, right? You are purchasing toilet paper, cleaning supplies, office supplies, whatever. That's just as an example. There's any number of things. But you're purchasing a number of products from a company, right? And often sometimes what they'll do is they'll give you a trade line so that you can purchase up to X amount of dollars, blah, 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 right? It doesn't pay any cash to the seller whatsoever until you pay the bill, right? So that is really based off of respect more than anything, right? If you have a good relationship with a vendor, that's typically where that'll happen there. If you're a good customer, you're an A customer, right? You get the point. So, trade lines. 2, overdraft, right? I'm pretty sure everybody is familiar with an overdraft. Pretty simple. It's a negative account balance. You talk to your bank, you say, I want overdraft. They approve you for, say, $30,000. That means your bank account can go in the negatives up to $30,000 to give you a hand if you need it. Again, that's a short-term thing, right? Not a long-term solution, short-term solution. It's expensive. And let's face it, the majority of short-term solutions are expensive. Maybe not so much right now with everything going on in the world. We're seeing loans, loan terms get shorter, the amount of money being lent out getting smaller and stuff like that. It'll be interesting to see where things go. But yeah, generally short term, more expensive. So you got your trade lines, you got your overdraft protection, and you got unsecured financing, right? I've touched on a fair bit of unsecured financing options in the past, right? Those are typically loans that go up to a maximum of 12 months. So that could be like your merchant advances, certain types of line of credit. I mean, we have to renew everything on a line, like anything in business, we have to renew. Business line of credit, 6, 12, 18, maybe 24 months before you have to renew it, right? That kind of thing. And the reason, you may or may not know, I'm pretty sure you do. The reason that it's called an unsecured loan is because there's no collateral required, right? That means you don't necessarily have to worry about putting up real estate equipment or anything like that. It's not necessarily secured, not really secured against receivables. And often it's just cash flow based, right? So in a sense, it's secured against your cash flow, but that's about it. Those are three types of short-term financing for small businesses. Let me know if you got any questions. I am more than happy to assist where I can. Have a wonderful day, guys. Have a wonderful weekend, and we will chat soon. Cheers. Thank you for tuning in. I appreciate you taking time out of your busy schedule to spend some time and tune into this message. If you enjoyed this, please show some love with a like, share, or by leaving a comment review wherever you happen to be tuning in. Don't forget to join us on the Facebook group, Business Owners and Entrepreneurs Network, and head on over to EliteClarity.com to check out our financing options. Cheers.